what's up? I'm Sneha and you're watching my channel Round Chick. I'm back again with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you guys how do I make my B-rolls and how you can make them as well. So I'll be sharing with you all my tips and tricks. I'm so sorry for all the noises because I'm out, guys. I'm out of my house, and in this particular location I'll be shooting two B-rolls, one with my phone, one with my camera, and so that you guys should know that you can shoot B-roll with any devices. So yeah, I'll be sharing with you guys the planning, plotting that I do, everything before the shoot, and I'll show you the location. I can use this green plants here. I'll shoot with all the cars and everything that are moving. I'll be shooting these trees here. Also, I'll be shooting some of these, and also there's a big clock tower. I'll go near that. There's a big clock tower. I'll go near that and shoot some. Tower with my phone and my camera. So I have not brought anyone here with me today to help me with my B-roll. So yeah, that's another pro tip, that you are enough to shoot your cinematic videos. So the weather is very cloudy today, and I don't know how much I'm gonna make it, but yeah, I'll make it. Okay, so in my camera I use 60 fps or 120 fps and for my phone the settings are actually 30 fps, and I cannot change that, and I do not know how to change them. So yeah, 30 fps for phone and 120 and 60 fps for my camera. So this one is shot with my phone. So let's see. That was shot my phone. Now it's time for my camera, so let's roll it. Last but not the least, I want you guys to make some cinematic dope videos and tag me on them with the hashtag #RoundChick on Instagram, so that I will be able to judge your videos. Like, I'm no one to judge, but still I'm giving you the challenge, so I have the right to judge. So yeah, make the best use of your gadgets and make your cinematic videos, like anything you have in front of you, just shoot it cinematic, and yeah, tag me on them. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. I make videos every Saturday, so see you next Saturday. Bye bye.